Hello guys, I'm Kim and today we are going to do an unboxing of Mi Box S. This is an Android box released by Xiaomi, and let's see what we have inside. I ordered it from Jumia, which is an online shopping store. So let's see. So this is the box right. This is the box right here. Like pressing these things. Okay, let's see what we have here. Of course, it's sealed. Let's do the. Let's see what is inside here. First of all, we have the box itself. Let's see what is also inside the box. We have some paperwork, and we have a HDMI cable. Wow, in the box, I mean, and we have a charger. We also have a remote control. Love this, guys. Thanks to Xiaomi. I really use everything that Xiaomi brings out in the market. Let's keep that aside and see the box. It has one HDMI port and one USB, and this is the charging port and the audio out. So this is what it has basically, and we have the Mi logo. This, according to the box, it supports 4K, and it also has Chromecast built in, so you can be able to connect your phone to this, and you can be able to stream what you have on the phone to the TV. Of course, it comes with Netflix, and it is one thing about it, it is Google certified, so you can use Play Store. You can download apps from Play Store direct to your box. And of course, there's a Google Assistant. You can press this little button here and command your box. So that's basically what Mi Box is. I'm gonna release another video showing how to operate it. Thanks for watching.